Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a quick guide of how we removed our split charge relay and installed this B2B charger. We cleared out our cupboard so we could remove the bottom shelf, as that's where the split charge relay was located. We removed the positive wire from the van battery, which Tash then pulled through, and removed the first fuse. I then split the cable tie, which held together the split charge wires. Once the wire was free, we could then remove the charger itself and then place it to one side. Our delivery arrived pretty quickly, which we ordered from simplysplitcharge.com. We chose the option to have the wire connectors and shrink wrap already attached, which saved us a job, which came in that brown box, and the B2B charger came in that white box. We went for the Sterling BB1230 battery to battery charger. First, we added both the fuses and then the short positive wire to the first fuse that goes from the van battery to the B2B charger. This means the charger needs to sit close to the van battery, so we decided to place it in the footwell of the passenger seat. We needed to cut about an inch of insulation from the small positive wire, as you tighten the uninsulated wire into the positive input of the B2B charger. We went for the 6 metre long wire, as our leisure batteries are in the back of our van, which needed to get threaded through our kitchen and the cupboard area to the front of our van. After cutting about an inch of insulation off, we tightened it into the positive output of the charger. That then gets connected to the positive terminal of your leisure battery with another fuse between both batteries. The long negative wire goes from the negative terminal of your leisure battery to the vehicle battery's negative terminal, and the small negative wire then gets tightened into the negative of the B2B charger. I put the cover back on and turned on the ignition and went to check to see if it's working. All good. Now I know it's working, it's time to set it up correctly. I held down the setup and select options for 20 seconds and selected AGM2, which means the input and output voltages are optimised for the leisure batteries that we have. To help protect the wire from getting crushed, we had a bit of conduit. We then fixed the B2B charger and fuses in place and we were ready to test it. You can see we started from 21%, which isn't great, but we had a 130 mile drive ahead of us and we were optimistic. Alright, and now the power is... Cool, so that just ticked up to 47%. It was on 65, but we have been using the power quite a lot and we have been stationary the past couple of days, so we've been using more power than we've been generating, but we are now very happy. We're going to use as little electricity as possible to let it top up to 100. We'll try and get it as close to 100% as possible. But yeah, that's it. I hope you like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.